Have you ever clicked your seatbelt without a second thought? Or watched an airbag cushion someone in a crash and wondered why that works? What you don't know is this. Behind every life-saving safety feature in your car is a person often unseen, unapplauded, but responsible for keeping you alive today. Cars are more than metal and wheels. They are moving extensions of our lives, transporting families, dreams, everyday moments. But for most of automotive history, cars were dangerous machines. Every innovation we take for granted today came from someone who saw pain, loss, or risk, and refused to accept it as inevitable. Today we're walking through the intertwined journeys of 7 people whose ideas reshaped modern car safety, each building on the work of the last, moving us closer to saving millions of lives every year. It all starts with seeing harm up close. Long before regulators or crash labs existed, one surgeon saw the human toll of collisions every day. She treated faces and bodies mangled in crashes, noticing how dashboards, sharp metal, and protruding knobs turned accidents into tragedies. She began demanding change: padded interiors, recessed controls, and seatbelts. Ideas the industry once ignored, but that planted the seed of safety as a priority. From injury observation to real restraint. That seed sprouted years later when engineers began asking, how do we actually keep bodies from slamming into hard surfaces? Enter the seatbelt. Not just any belt, but a design that holds the strongest parts of the body in place during impact. One engineer looked at previous harnesses used in aircraft and tested ideas until he landed on a system that would go on to become standard in every car on Earth. Suddenly, the difference between life and death could be as simple as clicking a belt. But what about impacts that belts alone couldn't stop? That question led another innovator to look beyond straps, to cushion the blow itself. Working in his own garage, he sketched and crafted the first prototype of something that would become the airbag. A cushion that fills in milliseconds during a crash to soften the collision. It wasn't embraced at first, but his idea laid the groundwork for what would become one of the most recognizable and life-saving features in every modern vehicle. Understanding the human body in a crash was another leap. To build safer cars, engineers needed to measure injuries, but they couldn't test on real people. So the first realistic crash test devices were developed, objects designed to mimic the human body's response in a collision. These test stand-ins allowed vehicle makers to see what happens to the chest, head, and limbs during impact, and make design improvements reliably. Without them, progress in restraint systems and structure design would have been guesswork. One scientist even became part of the experiment himself. Not satisfied with dummies alone, another pioneer underwent hundreds of violent tests on his own body to collect critical data on how impacts affect humans. His courage brought context and precision to safety research, and the insights he gained helped refine both restraint systems and vehicle structures to protect real people better. As engineering progressed, so did the philosophy of safety. Another visionary realized that crash protection shouldn't only be about resisting damage, it should be about controlling where and how a car brakes. This led to structural designs that absorb energy before it reaches the passenger compartment, preserving space and reducing the forces felt by people inside. It was a shift from thinking of cars as rigid machines to treating them as protective shells that work with physics, not against it. But innovation alone isn't always enough. Sometimes it takes a voice in the public square to force a shift in how we think. One outspoken advocate challenged complacency and called out dangerous designs, sparking public awareness and regulatory change. His activism helped transform safety from an optional add-on into a requirement backed by law, ensuring that millions more cars would be safer for everyone on the road. All of these individuals came from different places: surgery rooms, workshops, research labs, and courtrooms. But they shared a common belief: that safety matters more than style, profit, or indifference. Together, their work created a chain reaction of progress. Every time you buckle up, every time an airbag cushions a crash, every time a test dummy helps refine a new system, you're living in the legacy they left behind. If this story touched you, like and subscribe for more narratives about the people shaping the world around us.